Have you thought about painting your radiator black because that shiny aluminum just doesn't fit your restored muscle car theme? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Introducing the Cold Case Night Rider series. From the beginning, our mission was to create restoration quality radiators with the performance upgrades of aluminum. Our factory look stamped tanks have become widely accepted, and our Night Rider series takes that one step further. We've taken our most popular muscle car and truck radiators and painted them black, so you don't have to. These are perfect for vehicles requiring a restoration look, but need the performance of an aluminum radiator. Experience the great quality and benefits of our traditional radiators without losing cooling efficiency. Direct fit applications for cars and trucks designed to fit the factory fan shrouds. TIG welded construction for durability. 16 fins per inch for maximum air circulation, dual oversized cores that increase capacity and performance over factory radiators. The coating is more durable than paint, all backed by a lifetime warranty. So let us do the work for you. For more information, check out coldcaseradiators.com or give us a call at 844-REAL-COLD to get your ride cold case cool today.